Hello, welcome to NewsX Auto. My name is Shiraz, and in this video I'll be sharing two things, more than two things. The first would be, of course, the RPM at 100 kilometers per hour, and second would be the minimum speed at which you can manually shift up to the top gear, which is the 7th gear, and stay there. Like, you can set cruise control at that speed and it would not downshift to 6th. I can in fact tell the second part right away. That would be 72 kilometers per hour in an empty car with just the driver on board. And I reckon even with a full load of passengers, it would be 75 kilometers per hour, and even if it is 80 kilometers per hour, that is still good enough. See, the reason behind telling you the lowest speed at which you can shift to the top gear is because you should know that, okay, this is the speed wherein you will get the maximum fuel efficiency. All right, because you get the maximum fuel efficiency while cruising in top gear, okay, because the RPM at what is happening? I'm feeling thirsty. The RPM are at their lowest in top gear while cruising, so there you get the maximum fuel efficiency, and so that would be 72 kilometers per hour in an empty car, 75 kilometers with a full load of passengers, like the car loaded up to the brim. And I would say that if you are touring, and I'm sure you would be touring with family, keep it at 80 and you will get the best fuel efficiency. How much? You will get to know that in the full comprehensive review. This car is exceptionally fuel efficient. Now let me try to get past this traffic if I can, and see if I can maintain a steady 100 for at least like 10-15 seconds. Today is Monday and the car is going back today. I just filled, it had hit reserve. That is how I know that it has phenomenal fuel efficiency. I filled up fuel because, see, good etiquette is returning the car not with the low fuel light blinking. There should be enough fuel for the person, okay, for at least 70-80 kilometers. The good part is that the showroom from which this car comes is hardly 35 kilometers away from my place, so I'll make sure that it has a range of at least 100 kilometers when I return the vehicle. So let me show it to you. See, if I upshift to top gear 7th at 70 kilometers per hour, it will downshift to 6th. See, right? And if I do it at 72 kilometers per hour, it will stay in the 7th gear. So there you have a live demonstration of what I just told you. Oh, that's chocolate edition Duster. By any chance, if I don't get enough opportunity to hit 100 here, I'll switch the GoPro off just to ensure that this is not a very long video. But I think I will get that opportunity. $1800 RPM, And yes, this would be a short video. Yes, 1800 RPM. A shade above 1800 RPM. Yes, a shade above 1800 RPM, which is a bit surprising because the 1 liter Kushaq that does it at 1800 RPM. So I was expecting this to do it somewhere around, you know, like at least 1700 RPM or at least 1800 RPM. Let's try again. This is just not enough space. Let's see what 80 is. So that's 1200, 1400, 1600. So 18 is somewhere around 1560. Yeah, somewhere around 1500. So this is 1200, 1400, 1600. So this is somewhere around 1550, 1560. Okay, and of course you will get to know the, you know, the NVH levels. The car is beautifully quiet. The cabin is beautifully quiet at this point in time. In fact, it stays quiet at 100, 110, 120. Okay. So yes, you know, it makes for a serene experience, you know, while touring, and even in the city if you want to take it easy. Yeah, it's a quiet car. And when you push the loud pedal, thankfully, you know, the car has amazing performance. Thankfully, it does not get loud. It's not noisy. Okay. The car is very entertaining to drive. Okay, you'll get to know that in the review video. The car is amazing to drive. This is one car. In fact, I really want to drive the, you know, manual. This is one car that will make you love sedans again. Amazing car to drive. Let's see if we can get past this traffic, and there is a lot of traffic. Anyway, you did see what was, and now 1600. This could be 1640 or 1650. So if that is 1800, this would be, and this is 1600, this is 1800. So this could be 1650, 1680. Definitely not 1700. Or this could be, yeah, 1650. Yeah, definitely above 1800 RPM. Definitely above 1800, above 1800 RPM. What I'll do, I'll switch the GoPro off and switch it on again the moment I get an opportunity to cross 100. Alright, so I've switched the GoPro on again, and let's try 100 and if possible 120, although the possibility looks bleak. I didn't tell you the RPM at 72 kilometers per hour, right? Let's at least see that as well. 120 looks impossible in this traffic, of course. And 172, 7th gear, 1200, 1400, so that's what, 1380. Guys, let me at least do 72, please. Lord, what is wrong with people? You have to turn left and you are in the middle lane. Great. Yes sir, I'll let you pass. Definitely above 1800 RPM. See, that's 1800 RPM and it was above this. Why would you occupy 2 lanes, dude? Thank you. I cannot see the RPM right now. I am concentrating on the road ahead. You guys see it? It was definitely over 2000 RPM, right? Yeah. Alright, so 100 is definitely above 1800 RPM, and that's what it would be 1850 RPM, or perhaps 1840 RPM, or it could be 1820 RPM. It's definitely below 1850 RPM. It's not 1900. So 1850 RPM is also good. Okay, see, 100 kilometers per hour, anything under 2000 RPM is perfectly relaxed. Oh, I didn't show you the RPM at 72 kilometers per hour, right? That's the only thing that remains. You know, I'm just looking for an opportunity to check the RPM at 120 again. So let's do it at let's check. Can I get past this traffic and nopes. So what I'll do, I'll show you 72 kilometers per hour, RPM at 72. I did show it to you. I think, yeah, it was a shade below 1400 rpm. So that's 1200, that's 1400 rpm. Yeah, I did show it to you. Anyway, here's the look again. Third, so it's like what, that's 1400 rpm. So this would be so this is 1000, 1200, 1400, 1350, or it could be 1300 rpm. Yes guys, so yeah, I think I would want to conclude now, and you got a good idea, I hope, about the cruising speed rpm, the the NVH levels. And do hit that like button, do leave a comment, and do subscribe if you haven't already, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.